Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we'll cover file and directory management in PowerShell, creating, copying, moving, deleting, and renaming files and folders. Let's jump right in. To create an empty directory, you use the command md nextdoor. Once I click enter, this command is going to create a new directory called nextdoor, and it's going to show us the path. It's going to show us the mode d -- which indicate that it is a directory. Then it's going to show us the last written time, to show us the date and time when this directory was created. Then the length, the name of the directory next door. This is how we create a empty directory. For us to create a file, we use the command new item, then the name of the file that you want to create. For example, I want to create a file called text.txt. Once I hit enter, this command is going to create a new file called text.txt, and it's going to show us the mode, the last write time, when this file was created, then the length and the name of the file text.txt. Let me clear my screen. Clear host. Now, to view the contents of our current directory, we use the command get child item. This command is going to list the contents of the administrator directory. Now you see that we have successfully created the store directory and the text.txt file. Copying and moving a file. To copy a file, we use the command copy -item, then the name of the file that we want to copy. In this scenario, we are going to copy text.txt into the destination directory, which is a nextdoor. Text.txt nextdoor directory. So once I hit enter, this command is going to copy text.txt into the nextdoor directory. The copy item duplicates a file. If I list the contents of this directory, I will notice that text.txt still exists in administrator directory. Let me show you. Get child item. We notice that we still have text.txt. Let me clear my screen. Remember I told you that copy item duplicates the file that will copy. So once I set location to nextdoor directory and hit enter, then I will do get child item to list the contents of nextdoor directory. You see that we also have text.txt file in nextdoor directory. Let me go a step backward. I will use the command set location space .. to go a step backward. I'll clear my host, then I'll do get child item and to view the contents of this directory. Now I want to move text.txt to pictures directory. I will use the command move item. This command is going to move text.txt file. It will transfer it to pictures, and you are not going to see anything like text.txt here. So for me to do that, I will type the command move -item space text.txt, then the name of the directory pictures, then I'll hit enter. Then I will set location to pictures directory. Then I'll do get child item to list the contents of picture directory. As you can see, I've successfully transferred text.txt to pictures. If I go a step backward, then I'll do get child item As you can see, we no longer have text.txt here because I've successfully transferred it to pictures directory. This is how we move item. Deleting files and folders. To delete a file, we use the command remove -item, then the name of the file that we want to delete. Let me set location to pictures, get child item to list the contents of the directory called pictures. You see that we have text.txt. So for me to remove text.txt, I will use the command remove -item, then the name of the file that I want to delete, text.txt, then I'll hit enter. Once I list the contents of picture directory again, you notice that we no longer have text.txt anymore. We'll go a step backward. Now, the next example I'm going to show you is to delete a folder that is not empty. Delete the folder with all its contents. Get child item. Now, we want to delete next door directory or folder. I want to delete next door directory. So how will I delete it? I will use the command remove -item next door -recursive -force. This command is going to recursively and forcefully remove next door directory. Get child item to confirm if the next door directory is still there. If you notice, we no longer have next door directory because we have removed the next door directory and its contents. Renaming files. To rename a file, we use the command rename item. First of all, let me get child item. You can see the file or folder that we want to rename. So we want to rename rates.txt to auto class. I'm going to use the command rename child item, then the name of the file, which is rates.txt, and the name, the new name that you want to relate it to, auto class. Then I'll do get child item to confirm if I've successfully renamed rates.txt to auto class. Get child item to view the contents of administrator. If you observe, I've successfully changed the name from rates item rates.txt, which is this, to auto class. Rename item changes the name of a file or folder. You only need to specify the new name and PowerShell keeps the original parts. That's a wrap on file and directory management in PowerShell. We covered creating, moving, deleting, and renaming files. In the next video, we are going to learn about the cmdlet, aliases, verb noun convention. See you on the next one.